Hello world! The project that I'm going to do in this video is an Arduino form factor board with an RP2040 using the Pico, and it will be loaded with CircuitPython. Anyway, let's go! The parts that I am going to use are a proto shield for Arduino boards as the base of the whole project, as it conveniently follows the Arduino 1.0 pinout. It hasn't always been this way. Comment down below if you have an Arduino shield compatible board that predates this. Back to the parts. A 7805 voltage regulator with accompanying components to regulate external voltage input down to 5 volts. The capacitors here have a voltage rating of 16 volts. So having voltage exceeding that or near that is not a good idea. Some diodes to OR the 5 volts and for reverse polarity protection. I don't have a pin compatible power jack, so I'm just going to use a terminal block. Also a reset button. Here's the pinout that I'm going to follow if you are interested. There are some GPIOs that are not connected to anything. Oh well, let's go. There, I have now finished soldering the board. Before calling it a day, let's test the board. I'll put relevant links on the video description regarding CircuitPython. First, let's try to power the board via USB and externally. Looks good. Next, let's try the GPIOs. I have a shield here with buffered LEDs. I am just going to loop through them. For our third test, the ADCs. ADCs are functional. Fourth, let's try UART with this Bluetooth module. Fifth, let's try I2C with this small OLED screen. Hunky dory. And lastly, let's go test the SPI pins of the board. I have here an LCD with an ILI 9341 as its driver. SPI is functional. The board seems to be working overall. Of course, it's not for critical stuff. I just want to do an RP2040 in a, you could say, a classic Arduino form factor. Good thing I printed some stickers here to know the pins. The GPIO 1 and 0 are really in that order. That's because that's the RX in and TX out respectively. Why not just design a custom PCB rather than just doing it that way? True, maybe next time. By the way, you can support me on Buy Me a Coffee if you want to see more projects like this. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.